How to check Safari history after deleted on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're on the Start page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the bookmarks icon, which looks like an open book. From the pop-up window, tap on the right as shown. You will be taken to the history. From here, you can access and delete your browsing history as shown. Once deleted, tap on Done at the right and it is removed from the history list. To check for visited sites after deletion, open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Safari. You are now on the Safari settings page, which lets you manage various options and privacy features. Now, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and tap on Advanced. Next, tap on Website Data at the top. This section shows a list of websites that have stored data on your phone and reveal sites you visited even if the history entry was deleted. This can be also used to see which sites have been visited. Following these steps, you can easily check Safari history after deleted on an iPhone.